Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prajwal from Indie Crypto, and inside today's video we're discussing about the top 5 reasons for the cryptocurrency price dip and the reason why we are in the bear market. Now we all know that cryptocurrency as a whole had an amazing last year where the prices of all the cryptocurrencies skyrocketed, but we do know that whenever these price rises do happen, they are not going to stay at those prices for a very long time. If you take for example the 2013 price rise of Bitcoin, it went above $1,000, after which there was a dip in the price and the bear market continued until 2016 and 2017 when the next price rise happened. So this unexpected price rise was definitely giving a signal that the prices are definitely going to dip and there will be a bear market continuing to that. The second main reason for the price dip and the bear market is the regulations. Now because of the price rise that we had last year, a lot of governments started looking into cryptocurrency and they started taking it very seriously, and few of the countries couldn't go ahead and regulate it, so there was a lot of negative news of them going ahead and banning cryptocurrencies as a whole, although they couldn't ban it as a whole completely. But if you take for example in India, there was a circular from RBI saying that none of the banks are supposed to be providing any services to any cryptocurrency based businesses. Now although we know that regulations are very important and it's needed for the cryptocurrency for it to go mainstream and to secure the interests of the people who are investing in cryptocurrencies, but we do all agree that there could have been a better way of regulating it instead of outright going ahead and banning the cryptocurrency businesses of using any accounts, which is actually against the fundamental law. If there is a legal business that's running in a country and if you're depriving it of a basic necessity like a bank account, so that's not fundamentally right. And we do know that there has been news that the regulations will be coming up soon in India, although the dates have been kept pushing on and it's been said that it's going to be happening at the end of this year. We're not sure, we don't have a specific date, and we also don't know who are these regulators who are looking out to regulate, and what are the methods. Are they going ahead and taking a look at other countries like Japan and South Korea who are regulating the cryptocurrencies? Are they going through the cryptocurrency framework that's been implemented in those countries, or are they just making some news to just buy some time and later come up with some more excuses? So we don't know about that, but it's definitely one of the main reasons why the price dip happened. As we all know, when the news came out that from few of the exchanges that they're not going to go ahead and support any kind of INR deposits and withdrawals, we did see a huge price dip at that date, and the price dip continued for several days and weeks after that. The next important reason is the ICO's loss in value. Now a lot of ICOs did go ahead and raise a lot of money last year, especially the new ICOs that were introduced. A lot of these ICOs went ahead and raised money in terms of Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum. Now because of the sudden cryptocurrency price dip, they lost a lot in value. Say for example an ICO raised around 100 ethers for the company, which was a price of an ether of 30,000 rupees at that point of time, and when the price dip happened, or at today's scenario in Ethereum is at 20,000 rupees, so they did lose that 10 lakh rupees in value. And we do all know that it's still a fiat world, so even though you raise your money in crypto for an ICO, you still have to convert that to fiat in order to pay for the expenditures, pay for the infrastructure, or pay for talent. So when you exchange that particular crypto today to fiat, there is a huge loss in value, and a lot of these companies are looking out to cut short the losses right now, and that is the reason they are going ahead and selling a lot of crypto to cut down or prevent losses. This is also the case with some of the big investors and venture capitalists who are also looking out to cut losses, and I think this will continue further in my opinion and might bring down the prices even further. The next reason is the rejection of Bitcoin's ETF. So ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund, wherein you don't have to go ahead and own Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency in order to invest in Exchange Traded Fund, and this is definitely a big factor when it comes for huge investors in terms of security perspective, where they don't have to indulge in owning Bitcoin and securing those cryptos and stuff like that. It's just basically how stocks and other big properties are also exchange or also traded on the exchange traded fund. Now, the United States Security and Exchange Commission did go ahead and reject around 5 ETFs till now, and there are various reasons that they did give each time they went ahead and rejected a particular Bitcoin's ETF. The reasons were some ETFs were rejected saying that Bitcoin is not of at a level of that market cap where it can be included in the ETFs, was one of the reasons. And another reason was given that the Bitcoin can be manipulative and it can be included or subject to money laundering and other activities, due to which they didn't want to go ahead and approve the Bitcoin's ETF. But as of now, as of today, there has been a news that the United States Security and Exchange Commission is going ahead and reviewing their reason for rejecting, and they might go ahead and look into the ETF's approval once again. And if that does happen, that will open up the market for huge investors and institutions to go ahead and invest in Bitcoin's ETF. That's definitely a very positive news, and that will definitely change a lot in price as well. The next reason is the negativity and panic selling. Now, I personally have seen this before as well. Whenever there is a bull run in the cryptocurrency price and the price is rising, you always hear all positive news about cryptocurrency, saying cryptocurrency is the next big thing. It's going to go ahead and replace fiat. It's going to kill all the fiat and stuff like that. And the moment you enter into the bear market, there's a lot of negativity. You hear all kind of negative news like Bitcoin is dead, cryptocurrency market is dead. I've seen like many articles many times saying Bitcoin is dead, and all these articles do come up only during the bear market and the price dips. Now, this is very common if you ask me, because during the bull run and the price rise, people speak all positive things to get the traction, and the same goes with the negative side. They will spread negative news during the bear market to get the traction and attract the people to whatever agenda they have. But what happens during this is a lot of people, we did see last year when newbies who invested into the cryptocurrency space, who didn't know about cryptocurrency, or people didn't do enough research to enter before entering the cryptocurrency space, they start to believe these negative news and speculations that's being put out by media and other people, and they believe it's the truth, and that results in panic selling, and that also brings down the price and has brought down the price to a significant level. So those are the 5 main reasons I think the cryptocurrency prices dipped and is continuing to be in the bear market. I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you guys think the reason for the price dip and why we are still in the bear market, and what do you think might bring the cryptocurrency prices out of the bear market and are we going to go ahead and see another bull run very soon? So please go ahead and leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. I definitely love to read them. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We do have a lot of new and interesting stuff coming up very soon on our channel, and hit the bell button so that you get notified whenever we post our future videos. So that's it in this video, and thank you very much for watching this, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.